Lokhu kuza emva kokuthi inkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli isichithe nezindleko zaso isicelo salamaqembu sokuphoqa ukuba uNdzwanana angabi ingxenye yomhlangano lapho kuzovotelwa isiphakamiso sokungabethemba ubuholi bakhe.
It is important to note that since this petition and motion were received, there has been in that. There has been a resignation of Councillor Becker and a vacancy has been declared. And there is a question about the validity of and standing of his signature on the petition.
Lokhu akwehlanga kahle eqenjini Action SA nebelithenjiswe isikhundla sikaSomlomo.
I think the ultimate aim is to ensure that we keep ANC out of power now and in 2024. We're going to achieve that. Whether they like it or not, they will be out of power.
Kusenjalo lomkhandlu usunika umnqamla juqu wangolesihlanu ukuthi ulungise isabelo mali sawo kanti uma kungenjalo ungase ufakwe ngaphansi komlawuli.
What they did today is a deliberate move. They are undermining everybody else. I heard you asking about the question of electricity. They were warned several times, even in October last year, that there's a likelihood that these pylons will be stolen, but they did nothing.
Lomkhandlu dolobha uxolisile ngokuphazamiseka kokuphakelwa kogesi okubangwe ukuwa kwezinsimbi ebezigxunyekwe amakhebula asabalalisa amandla ogesi emgwaqweni we N4 empumalanga yePitoli.